We got Daddy in the house, he's known as Boulevard. And Mommy in the house, she's known as Pretty Nikki. Denim's in the house, he's known as D Blaze. And Ryan's in the house, he's known as Little Big.
The Evan Show. Oh, this the Evan Show. Oh, this the Evan Show. Oh, this the Evan Show.
Say what's up to the vlog, Miko.
What it do? What it do?
Good morning. Well, good afternoon. I got my tripod. You know what that mean? What does that mean? I'm out of breath.
Oh no.
I don't know what that.
You out of breath.
I'm out of
You
breath.
gotta lay down. That's what that means.
No, it doesn't mean that. Copyright. Got my jazz playing in the background. Shout out to Art of Love. And the name of this song is called Love. It's a jazz song. Here it is. I love jazz, y'all. That's what I listen to. That's my music of choice, my
I had
preference.
to get rid of the Challenger because it was too small. Nobody could fit in it. So, got something with 4 doors on it. You got some nice leather from Africa. Cushion seats from Wakanda.
What?
Yep. Smelling like a brand new car. Seat. So you get in the back seat. You got
Put the
another.
other row down? Why?
Well, I like
You
to
be
put
trying
my
to-
stuff back here. I gotta pick my bag up.
I used to. I got on gloves because I cannot touch the soap to wash, you know, the dishwashing liquid. Well, that's what we use to wash our car. And I am allergic to it. Yes, guys, I'm allergic to dishwashing liquid. I know it sounds crazy, but it's true. So I'm about to put these gloves on and wash my car. He's the best dog in the world. Mwah. Denim, what you doing?
Picking up the weeds.
Denim's picking
Isn't this
weeds.
a leaf?
Yeah.
The
4-leaf clover? No. Yeah, see Miko? Chilling. Got your boy right there cutting, doing some yard work. Dana, what you doing? Tell YouTube what you doing.
cutting the weeds.
It gotta be even though, you know? Look how long this one is. It's so long it folded up. You see Miko? Chilling in the shade. That's my dog. Now Daddy out here cutting these.
I'm cutting trees, washing cars, every damn thing. I can't do all of this. Come on.
Whole bunch of junk in there. Candy wrappers, gum wrappers, whole bunch of stuff in the back seat of my car. So D-Blaze.
I like these rims.
Me too. They're like spider webs. What? I was thinking of a prank?
Yeah.
Yeah, but we might not do the prank, you know?
You can always cut it out.
This dude got 2 trucks. and I got one car. It's okay. It's okay.
Alright, so why don't we just say my uncle is here?
So that pretty much wrapped it up with us washing our vehicles today. I just finished eating and now I'm kind of tired. I'm supposed to wash my hair. I don't know, maybe tonight, maybe tomorrow, don't know. But like our video, give it a couple of thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, leave a comment down below, let us know what you think. Give us some ideas, some prank ideas, some new video ideas. Let us know what you like, you know, what you want the Evans Show to do next. So thanks for watching. Till next time.
The Evans Show. Oh, this the Evans Show. Oh, this the Evans Show. Oh, this the Evans Show. Oh,